Hello friends, welcome back. Today I brought a new video about how to increase Instagram followers organically without using any third-party website or application. First of all, you need to find a page which have more than millions of followers. It may be actor or your category page. Then you have to visit that Insta page and start following the people who followed recently. Huge followers account get followers in every second. We should take an advantages of that followers. They might online when we are going to follow them. There are many chances of getting follow back as you can see in this video as a live. But I don't recommend you to follow more than 200 followers at a time. Take a break and continue same procedure. We can set a target of followers in a day. That might help you to get more and more followers to your account. This trick only works in those accounts who have millions of followers like Ronaldo, Messi or Instagram official page and many more. There are many more pages that you might know. Using this trick, you can easily grow your Instagram page at a short period. This trick will work for lifetime. You can use this trick at any time to increase your followers and fan base on Instagram. Don't waste money to buy a followers from unknown website like SSM panel. You can use this trick to get genuine followers. They all are active followers, not a bot followers. If you got any valuable information, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos notifications. It takes much time to research and to make a video editing. I am requesting you to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you friends and love you all. Be safe and stay home.